So in this video I'm going to show you how you can download GTA 5 for free. So first you need to download is Steam, which is a games marketplace. So for that you need to go to store.steampower.com, and then here you need to log in your account and then click on install Steam. I have already installed on my PC, so I will go to the Steam. So when you have installed Steam, you need to go to store, and then here you need to search for GTA 5. Here we go. Click on the top button. I need to verify my age. So when you have verified your age, you need to scroll down, and as you can see there is 62% off and you can buy it for $10. Click on add to cart, and then here you need to click for purchase for myself, and here you need to add your card information. If you have PayPal, you need to click PayPal, Visa, MasterCard. They have all other options. Once you are done, click on continue and you will be able to download your game. If you want to download it, you need to go to library, and then here it will appear GTA 5. You need to click on GTA 5 and then click on install. I hope you found this video useful. Please subscribe to our channel and like our video, and I will see you in the next one.